I'm out in nature, I often see things that other people don't see. So whereas most people would see an annoying avocado stem, I actually see a mushroom. Can you see it now? And what I like to do is paint the top with red and put little white dots for those little magical mushrooms that we love seeing on miniatures. And they become part of art. And then I added this cute little mushroom to one of my little miniature hobbit huts. Look how cute it turned out. Would you have ever guessed that this was an avocado stem? Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to Sufani's World and hit the bell so you get notifications. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye.